Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Just a Little Homestead. If you're new here, my name is Wilma, and what we are doing today is opening up our new discovery box. Remember on the last video that I did, I had one of these. I got this from HOSS, the Garden Discovery Box, and it's $39.99, and I ended up getting almost $125 worth of products in that box. So I said on that video I was going to order another one because that was an awesome deal. I ordered it that night and I got it in. So now we're going to open this one together again. And I didn't say it on the last video, but let me let y'all know now, this is not sponsored. HOSS did not send me this for free. I paid for it. I paid for the last one as well. I just love their products, so I was very excited to open it with y'all and tell y'all to run out and buy one because it was such an awesome deal. So I went out and I bought one. I didn't go out, I did it online, but you know what I mean. So now here's another one. Let's see if we get some more awesome deals with this one. I'm so excited. All right, ready? Open this up. Now again, I'm not going to know the prices right now, so as soon as I show you everything, I'm going to pause the video, we're going to get the prices, and I'll come back and let you know what we got. So first thing is another germination mat. I got this on the last one, and if I remember correctly, this is $29.99. I think that it was $29.99. So it looks like we got another one of these. It looks like some different stuff in here. I was really hoping for some different things. So let's see. I got some seeds. The seeds always come in a little bag, so I know it's seeds. And I'm going to open that in just a minute. Okay, so it says HOSS Get Dirty. And what this is, according to the paper, it is a mesh produce bag. There's 50 in here, so it's a 50 pack, small size. Wow, okay, so I have 50 produce bags. I guess I can use this like when the onions are done. I can stick them in here whenever they're drying off or whatever I have to do when they're done. I don't know how much that is though, so we're gonna find out. And the next thing I have is, it's a big, wow. This is a big grow bag, a huge grow bag. And the paper says it is a 100-gallon grow bag. So this one, this is huge. Wow, okay. I'm not sure what I'm gonna use a 100-gallon grow bag for, but I'm sure I can find something. That is humongous. That's gonna take a lot of soil. What else? Okay, so the tools portion of it was the 50 pack of produce bags, the single grow bag, 100 gallons, and then the germination mat, which is what I got last time, was the germination mat. Now for the seeds. And I got a sticker, same sticker we got last time. Grow HOSS. That's cute. Okay, so now if I remember correctly, this Santa Fe Grande pepper, I got this with the last box. So I think that was $3.99 or $4.99. We got Esterina hybrid cherry tomatoes. We got that. We have Waltham 29 broccoli and fried green tomatoes. And then we have 3 seed tapes. All of them are baby leaf greens. So, okay, 15 feet of seed tape on each one. So leafy greens. And that is everything in the box. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna run and get the pricing for all this so that we can figure out what value we got for $39.99 that I paid for this. Let me go check. Give me 1 minute. Okay, I'm back. I have all the pricing now. So what we did here, let me just go through one by one. Germination mat is $29.99 for this. The 100-gallon grow bag, huge grow bag, is $34.99 for this bag. And then the produce bags, 50 small produce bags, are $28.99. So just with those 3 things, that's $93.97 for a box that I paid $39.99 for. Awesome deal. The 3 seed tapes. For 6, you get them for $19.99, so just say $10 for half of that. And then fried green tomatoes are $3.99 for this. The Santa Fe Grande bell pepper, this is the one that I got on the last box. I just saw it. That means I'm going to have to start planting some of these because I have two of these now. This one is $3.99. The Esterina cherry tomatoes hybrid, these are $4.99. And the Waltham 29 broccoli is $3.99. So with just the seeds by themselves, that is $26.96. So total between the seeds and the tools that we got is $120.93 in total. That is an amazing deal. For $39.99 that I paid, the only thing that I got again was those seeds and the germination mat, which we can always use. So that's perfect. I am not complaining about that. That means I can just plant some more seeds that need heat. And that is everything. This, again, awesome deal. Not sponsored by HOSS. If y'all want to sponsor me, you can. But I'm not sponsored. I paid for this box. I paid for the last box. And I'm probably going to order another one. I don't know when they're going to stop selling these because I just recently saw them before I ordered the last one. I hadn't seen this before on their site. So I don't know if this is new, if it's going to go away. But they said that the boxes are going to be different. They were for the most part besides those 2 things, which I'm not complaining about. But everything else was different. Still an amazing value. So I'm not complaining. Love this box. Love all the products. And I'm probably going to order another one. So we might be doing this again. So if you like the content, please feel free to continue watching. Please like and subscribe. And if I order another one of these, I will do another unboxing with y'all. But that is everything for today. Thank you again for spending time with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.